We are now in the Room tab. We click on the New Room button and then give a name in the room name field, for example, Men Floor 5. For gender, this choice depends a lot on the specific type of restroom. If the restroom is unisex, meaning it's for both women and men, I check Share Toilet. If the restroom is for men only, men, women, right now I'm selecting the men's restroom. If you have a zone, add as much information as possible. In general, that's much better, because this way the app reads it out according to the titles we're entering now. The main building A. How many stalls are there in the restroom? For example, 4. How many sinks? As I said, the more information there is, the better it is. The most important thing at this stage, once you've finished filling in all the information about this restroom, is that you must click on including touchpad and then click OK. Once I've added the restroom, it will appear at the end of the list. If I actually want to edit this name, it's simply possible. Just click on the pencil icon here and edit. If I want to delete this restroom, I just click on delete. And that's it.